What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Grace. How are you doing today? We're about to do a zebraish, stripish, or whatever you call it kind of look, inspired by my dress. So first thing first, I'll be putting my eyebrow tutorial up. So please click on the icon above me to watch, okay? All right, I'm so excited. Let's get started. I prep the eyes using my P.LOUISE base in RUMOUR 0. Blended it out in the tapping motion, pam 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 first, before switching to my fluffy blending brush. So for this look, I search all the yellows in my Juvia's Place collection. And guys, I got what I needed. So the first color your girl will be going in with is from the WAHALA palette called Oversabi. Using is my rare brush from BH Cosmetics in number 7. I'll be pressing this eyeshadow in a diagonal way onto my eyelid, but the yellow is not dim enough, so I will slightly dip into the light brown from the ZULU palette. Talking about the ZULU palette, I'll be using the yellow in there and placing it in front of the first color we did, and then I'll blend it out. Then I'll be going in with the AFRIQUE and the NOMAD palette, the yellow in there, to go in front of the yellow we did from the ZULU palette, and then I'll blend everything out. So for the cutting of the crease, this is super important. You need to make sure that your brush is as flat as possible, and that is what I did, so that when you're cutting the crease, it will be very clean. So I went in with that same eyeshadow primer I did, or base I did, from the P.LOUISE base, and then I had to cut it in that diagonal way. So this is how we'll be doing. This is how we'll be blending it. We'll be cutting and be blending just like you're cutting onions. You get what I'm saying? And so when you do that, then I went in with I did it vice versa. The first color I used in front, that's what the color I'm going in with. Then I'll be going in with the ZULU, the yellow from the ZULU. Then I'll be going in with the yellow from the WAHALA palette. And then also to dim it out, I went in with my brown coming out from the ZULU palette, and then we cut it again, okay? And we'll have to cut it again. So this is how to get your zebraish kind of eye look. Anyway, this thing is super self-explanatory, so let me just leave you guys to enjoy the tutorial. So right now I'll be going in with my eyeliner. So this time I'm not trying to draw the cat eye. No, your girl cannot draw a cat eye with this look. So I'll just have to draw a little line just for my eyelashes, and just to add dimension to the eyes. And I'll be going in with my brown from the ZULU palette, and just that's it. Now this eyelashes is like a flyaway. I'll be flying it in out of the camera, and then zoom. We are back, please. So from here, guys, I won't be doing I will just be fast forwarding everything. I just added a little of the makeup tutorial to it, just to make it fun for y'all. So let's just zoom in and zoom out, and we'll be boom back with our face popping. All right, guys, if you have made it to this point, thank you. so much because your girl has a big announcement. Okay, we just hit our 1K subscribers. Say hello to me. Nobody can talk to me anyhow. Don't mind me, I'm just kidding. So I am going to announce to you that I'll be doing my giveaway, and just if you watch to this extent, you have qualified. Just make yourself more qualified by subscribing to this channel, inviting your friends to come. Tell me how many friends you invited on this. Follow me on my Instagram page because it's on the description box below. Okay, follow me, tag your friends to come watch this tutorial. Okay, just stalk me. You don't know when I'm going to do it. So the thing I'll be giving out is 4 makeup boxes filled with makeup. I mean your eyeshadow, your foundation, your primer, your brushes. They will be inside these boxes, and it's worldwide. I'm not shipping it just in America. You'll be getting it in Nigeria. If you are winning, I'll be putting this in a raffle draw, guys. I'll be going through my comments, man. In every video I post, I'll be going through my comments, and your girl will make sure I pick the best out of the best and put it in a raffle draw. And when you win, you win. And I'll be doing a live video here to announce the winners of my giveaway. Yes, that's what girl has to do. All right, y'all, I love you. I mean, if you are a returning subscriber, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. If you are a new subby, welcome to my channel. And if it's your first time being here, feel free to scan through our videos for because I definitely have good videos for you. I love you so much. Thank you for standing by me. Thank you for this 1K. I love you. Till next time. All right, bye.